What's going on, guys? Lostwheel Custom Offsets. Today I got my boy Dustin with, I don't think we've done a video in a long time.
It's been a hot minute, bro. It's good to be back.
Yeah. Today we're gonna do a head-to-head for you guys, taking a break from the whole FTG, Belly Guy, or whatever. We're doing a head-to-head. If you guys don't know, if you're new to the series, we pretty much put two trucks up head-to-head. We gotta pick left or right. We go over the specs, and then 3, 2, 1, instead of rating it, we just pick left or right and then explain why.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, performance accessories, anything for your truck, don't do it. Don't do it. Cole's gonna be freaking mad. CustomOffsets.com. Hey, he's already flipping us off. All right, let's hop to it. All right. On the left, we've got a 1997 Ford F350 fuel hostage, 22x14, -76 offset, Nitto Mud Grappler, 40x15.5, and a custom suspension lift of 12 inches. Okay.
Holy
some details. Yeah. We got Sky Off-Road 5-inch reverse shackle kit, 6-inch Skyjacker leaf springs with off-road design, 1-inch zero rate block, Sky Off-Road U-Bowl flip kit, Sky crossover track bar, Skyjacker extended drop, Pitman arm, Sky dual shock mounts with dual custom valve Bilstein. Oh wow, custom extended sway bar links. Yeah, he's
bro, you haven't even gone through the front yet.
He's
dual
very
Bilstein,
detailed.
steering stabilizer, 3-inch spacers, axle swap, disc brakes. Like, listen, there's just a lot. It's just big.
There's a lot.
There's a lot, and that's just the suspension details.
Yeah.
That's not even like the rest of the build.
He didn't even give us the rest of the build because there was just so much damn details in the suspension.
He ran out of characters.
Yeah.
He won't let him type anymore.
With all that work, I would hope you didn't rubber scrub, buddy.
I mean, Jesus Christ, yeah, exactly. So 22x14s and 40s, really, obviously meaty, aggressive setup. Light bars on the front, of course. I dig these bumpers. I wish I knew what kind they were.
Yeah, these bumpers are hot.
They look really good on this truck.
Murdered out tint.
Yeah, she dark.
Headlights, taillights.
Damn.
Things clean.
Damn, it looks good.
White
on white.
All right, on the right.
Hey-o.
Oh yeah, I love this truck. I've seen it many times. 2015 Ford F250 Super Duty Fuel Forge, FF29s and a 2616 -101, Tuff MTs and a 37 13.5, and PMF lifted greater than 12 inches.
This thing's big. Oh, he's got a video.
We'll watch the video, but first, some details. PMF suspension, 14-inch lift, no rubbing or scrubbing because he's freaking huge.
Huge.
And 2-inch spacers, because why not be even wider? 2616s with 2-inch spacers.
Yep, you can tell that because of the way it is. But actually because
the way it be.
Well, because there's no tire inside of the truck, it's all outside of the truck, which is nasty.
Yeah, because the way it is.
What is this? Do you not have YouTube Premium?
I do, but I'm not signed in.
You have YouTube Premium?
Yes.
Damn, okay, all right, you bougie. I don't have YouTube Premium.
Rainey and I were just talking about how like silver and green looks good.
Yeah, especially like a deep lime green like this is. Yeah, it slaps.
On like a light silver.
Little squat going on there, you see that?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a little bit.
It's a little bit to where it looks really good.
All right, Lawson.
All right.
Let's do this.
Well, you know, I'm just saying the first one didn't have a freaking video, you know? I'm just
hey, why you gotta throw shade like that?
All right, I'm not throwing shade. Anyways.
You're throwing shade.
All right, on the left, 1997 F350 with a ton of freaking details.
Our left, they're right.
Yeah. On our left.
All right, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, right.
Yeah, I mean, listen, the OBS is hot. The truck looks great. The color match looks fantastic. The bumpers look really good, but that is on a whole nother level. And that's saying a lot because I don't dig that body style a lot, but that truck is done so well.
Yeah.
It just slaps.
I think it's very clean, very similar to what I'm looking to do after my Silverado. So obviously I've talked about either getting a 15 or 16 or bumping up to the new body style.
Aluma duty, baby.
I know when it comes to time to shop and everything, we'll look into it. But I've also, you know, optioned some of these out because you can get into these now for pretty good price point. So this is very similar to what I want to do with my next truck. I really dig this body style. I know a lot of people, you know, I would like to see some headlights or something done. Cause
yeah, just a little bit to break the front end up.
Everyone's biggest gripe is just the headlights on these 2015, 2016. But yeah, thing's hot.
Next, on the left is a 2008 Dodge Ram 2500 on Liberty Forged. They're 05 in a 26x16. Fury Country Hunter MT 3515.5 and an 8-inch BDS suspension lift kit. For a second there, I thought this was the one from Team Stance.
Yeah.
I was like, this is his truck. And
but
then I was like,
but it's like a military green right there, it looks like, right?
Is it green or is it black? I think it's black.
Maybe it was just,
I think it's black.
yeah.
I think it's black.
It was just casting some tree shadow action.
A little green out of the old,
Yeah.
little reflection.
Yeah.
This thing's nasty though.
That's cool.
So 8-inch lift, 2-inch spacers all around. What is with all these guys in 16 wides and 2-inch spacers today, dude?
Dude, it's the new way.
This is the way.
All right.
When I get my 26 16s for the Silverado, I'm slapping 3-inch spacers.
No, you won't.
Yes, I am.
You kissed the curb with your 14 wides.
That's
You want to
fine.
go 16 wides and
That
3-inch
was a
spacers?
different story. The old lady at the bank wouldn't let me back out. She forced me to curb my wheels.
Respect the elderly.
All right, so pretty simple, just big, nasty, black 3rd-gen Ram on the left. Oh, no.
With Liberty Forge. I
Liberty Forge.
don't think I've had like a FTG or from the gallery, that's the same thing, or a head-to-head
from the gallery.
with Liberty Forges.
Yeah, that's true. We don't see a lot of them in the gallery. So if you have Liberty Forge, add them to our gallery, customassets.com/add. It's that simple. On the right is a 2012 F250 on Forgiato Fratello T's in a 28 by 16, minus 116. Intercoat boggers 44 by 19 and a half because, you know, fuck your MPGs.
Yeah.
And a greater than 12-inch PMF lift kit. So it looks like this one is a 16-inch 4-link kit. Looks like it's got 14 to 16-inch FOA coilovers up front, all powder coated.
Brushed aluminum.
Yeah. Headlights, 16 rock lights and wheel rings, recon badges, Flog front and rear bumpers. Shout out to Flog, they do really great work. True Spike lug nuts, horn blasters with the spare tire delete, Infinity Kappas in the doors with 3 10-inch JLW6 subs, a big ol' SXC 366 turbo, upgraded fuel system, upgraded piping, SPE tunes, 456 Yukon gear. Listen, this thing is massive and it's gonna scoot. Big turbo, fuel system, bigger injectors, tuned. This thing is
Audio.
gonna mob down the road
Even with the 44-inch boggers.
and be nasty.
For 28s, those look pretty big too. I was
Yeah,
pretty
they do.
surprised. I thought they were going to be 30s.
I love how Flog does these like big spiky boys by their toe. It looks super good. Super, super good.
Oh,
This thing's big.
oh my God.
Yeah.
Give me. That's a 12? I don't even need to buy a 15 or 16. I can buy a
See?
12.
That's what I'm saying. This thing's huge. I don't know what I'm sorry, I've said that like 6 times, but dog, he's on 44s and they look like 33s. All right, I don't know if there's anything else left
I
to
don't
talk
think
about.
there's anything to say.
Yeah, this is an easy choice
Yeah,
for me. Ready?
bookmark that.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, listen, the Ram was hot. It looked good. But this is a whole nother level.
This wasn't fair.
No.
That Ram was very nice.
This
And
was a
but,
loaded
like,
fight.
Yeah, we went to the next tab and we're like, whoa, what is this doing here?
Homeboy with the Ram came to a knife fight. Homeboy with the F-250 brought a freaking rocket launcher.
Let's break out the low rocket and take out the truck.
That thing is insane. It's everything you could ever want.
Yeah.
I mean, 4-link, boggers, everyone wants
Custom
boggers.
headlights. I mean, it just, yeah.
Yeah, 28 plus. You know, if you ain't getting 30s, you want your 28s. It's nuts. Audio,
Nutty.
performance, everything.
Yeah.
Attention to detail, and then to powder everything to look, you know, to match, you know, your paint color and everything. That's very well done. Very well done. Next. All right, let's go. Hopping in the next one, we got on the left a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 on Belgian, which they make hot wheels.
Interesting. Okay, yeah.
usually
They don't
not-
make a lot of truck wheels, right?
Usually known for their car scene. The Belgian SL7s and a 22x10 plus 30. Continental Conti Sport Contact. Airlift Performance Air Suspension.
Baby. So it's bagged.
Yeah.
Let's
bagged.
go. Dude, look at those wheels. They're fire on this thing.
Yeah, I think it's pretty spicy. If we look at some quick details.
There's no details.
There's no details. He doesn't rubber scrub.
He's on bags,
Bet
dude.
you
I'd hope
rubber
not.
scrub when you're aired the out, you know what I'm saying? All right, professionally shot by Belgian, so all
I'd
these
say this
photos
is their
are fire.
truck, yeah. This thing's hot, dude.
Wild.
Listen, street trucks, I love street trucks. I love low, I love performance-minded street truck.
Now imagine a street truck on a clean, luxury GMC Sierra.
Yeah, like a nice truck.
Yeah.
Is it Denali?
Oh, yep, it's
It
a
is a
Denali.
Denali. Yeah, I thought so with the headlights. So cool. What is-
Imagine having a lowrider Denali, balling in those comfy interiors, airing out for the pheasants.
Peasants.
Yeah, whatever.
Tomato, potato, you
Yeah.
know?
Potato. Tomato.
All right, on the right.
Another
2015.
street truck.
Let's go. Now it's a fair fight.
Yeah.
It's not like hey, this is a daily driver against a SEMA truck. All right, 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500, intro, twisted, Vistas, 2s. And on the front, he's got a Sager setup, 26 by 8.5 plus 19. In the front, 26 by 12, negative 95.25 in the rear. Wow, that's weird. Okay. Pirelli P0s, the front's a 33, 8.5, the rear's 35, 12.5. He's on AccuAir suspension.
Interesting. So check this picture out, this second one here. Look at all the framework and stuff that's been done to this thing. The tanks sit between the frame rails, which is nasty.
And that's all covered by the bed.
By the bed, yeah. So that means that they had to take the whole bed off and then lay all the lines and make sure that it got out of the way, and then set it back down top
And
of it.
in like the lowrider street truck scene, like having your line management clean is a big deal.
Yeah, listen, the street truck guys, like the lower truck guys, are like the PC nerds, right? If your like lines and cables are not completely managed,
yeah,
you're gonna get roasted.
Yeah. So like I said, AccuAir suspension, fully bagged, done by Endless Metal Fab. New front control arms, narrowed 3 inches. Rear suspension is a custom 3-link. Ride Tech HQ shocks, airlift bags, AccuAir E-level with eye-level. Rear end narrowed 11 inches. Moser axles, no rubbing or
So
scrubbing.
they narrowed them up 11 inches, which is wild. Check this shit out though. Supercharged LT4? What? So it's low and it's narrowed and it's got fat rear tires and it makes cool boop boop noises. I'm in love.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Now some looks at the actual truck.
High country to boot besides, right? So, I mean, the double stitch leather interior and all that good stuff. And it's one of my favorite body styles. I can't pick.
Yeah, this one's hard.
Let's do this.
All right.
You ready?
Left or right? 3, 2, 1, right.
Left. Really?
I was gonna pick left just because I think with it being a Denali, all blacked out, the Belgians look phenomenal. The
Spit it out.
anyways, yeah, just like the airless suspension, the Belgians, the everything. This one was so hard. I think the only reason why I picked the right over that is because of the attention to detail.
Yeah,
so,
for real.
Like the lines and everything else. There was the supercharger right there, and just everything else. I think as a aesthetic, not because obviously we're judging overall. Aesthetically, I would take the GMC all day.
Yeah.
All black, it's got the chrome, Denali, literally dream. But this man's just got that little extra.
Yeah, they're both super tough. I think I went left only because that truck is so clean. It's so clean, and it's so simple, but it looks super good. And so I just saw it and I was like, that's the one. Like that's I gotta have it. It was love at first sight.
All right.
Oh God. Ooh, this is good. On the left is a 2014 Ford F-150 on Archon Mandelas and a 24x14 minus 81 amp mud terrain attack MT and a 35x14.5 and a 6-inch rough country lift kit. This is the one and only Biggs from Custom Offsets. So low-key, all right, just a quick conversation about Biggs' truck. We give him a lot of trouble, right? But he's done a fairly okay job with it. It's black on black, really dark tint on it, so it carries kind of that black on black on black look. He's got that Starlight headliner that looks pretty good. Like, he's done a really good job with it.
His horns get a bad rep because of where he got them from, but they actually sound really good.
Yeah, they make a lot of noise. They're pretty okay, you know.
No, I think the truck is fantastic. I think his truck looks good, especially after he updated the grille.
Yeah, yep, exactly.
The Mandelas on his truck look
slap,
like insane. I think the all satin that Archon came out with was so fire, because when they were dropping the Da Vinci's and the Mandelas, I was like, Da Vinci's all day, there's no way that you can't. And then I saw the satin Mandelas and they look so damn good. So
on the other side, opposite corner of the ring, manning the fight in this one is a 2014 Ford F-150 again on Archon Off-Road Mandelas, again in a 24x14, again on Amp Mud Terrain Attack MTA, again in a 35x13.5 on a 6-inch rough country lift kit. They're not the same truck though, I promise.
They belong in the same parking lot though.
Yeah, they do. Hi, Hunter. This is Hunter's truck, of course. Really two unique builds to pitch against each other because they're very similar but very different. Biggs has the EcoBoost, Hunter has the 5.0. Hunter has some more, I would say, aesthetic mods, right, with the grill and the lights and stuff. Biggs has more interior stuff, you know. Both black on black F-150s. Boy, I don't know. Hunter's got all that powder coat done. Biggs obviously, well, he had some powder coat done.
R.I.P. my man.
R.I.P. to Biggs.
I think I know though.
Hunter's on the Vertex kit, of course. Yeah. So the coilover kit.
I think I know what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna make one of them out either way. So here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Left.
Right.
Whoa.
Yep. So I'm taking Hunter mainly just because headlights, 5.0. I think EcoBoosts are fine stock, but the moment you start slapping stuff on it,
yeah, it's not like he's going anywhere fast. Let's be real.
And they sound like a wet fart and like, I don't, it's just personal preference. It's not for me. Meanwhile, Hunter drove past me the other day. I was standing outside. His truck sounds fantastic when he drives by. On top of that, he's got Vertex. I think, like you said, it's so close and so hard to where these extra things. He's got the Vertex. Biggs doesn't have the Vertex. You know, I think he did the headlights, which I think looks fantastic. Hunter's is a crew cab. Hunter's a crew cab. Biggs isn't. Horn blasters. Hello. Also his gold. I'm glad that he went with the gold to really tie everything together. That was like his color of choice. Personally,
I'm gonna be honest. That's why I didn't pick it.
Really?
I'm not a fan of it. I think it's cool that he did it. For me, not a big like gold or bronze or copper or whatever the hell color you want to call it is. But it looks good. It's just not my personal taste. You know?
See, and like personally, I don't like the grill, the big Ford grill. I think Biggs's grill looks cleaner. I think Biggs's wheels look cleaner. That's why it was so hard.
Yeah, I mean, they're so right there.
Right there. This was probably the hardest one yet. It'll be very interesting because there was talks of both of them lowering and going a little bit lower. So.
All I know is regardless of what happens, we're both going to have to meet the opposite at the flagpole at 5 p.m. tonight so we can fight this out. Because they're going to be mad. So, you know, Hunter's already shaking his head. He's like, he's mad. He's angry.
All right, that's what we got for you guys on today's video of Head to Head. Let us know down in the comment section below who won. We might not be right. We want to hear your guys' thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys want to add your truck to our gallery, that's where we pull all this from. You guys can be featured. Last but not least, customoffsets.com/add. And if you guys need anything for your truck, as always, we have so much on our site. Honestly.
It's ridiculous. It's unreal.
Just go browse our site.
Just do it.
Yeah. Gallery, wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, performance.
All right, let's get out of here.
All sorts of stuff. Ambassador program.
You know, gallery.
Yeah.
Fitment calculators, bios about us, pictures. You know, whatever.
History.
Yeah.
And brings us to the YouTube channel. We have a video page now.
Yeah, we have an Instagram too, and a Facebook.
Yeah.
Pinterest.
Okay, well, I meant like on the website brought to our YouTube. If you go on customoffsets.com,
okay, bye.
Video, it brings you to the YouTube channel.
Okay, bye.
I'm done.